फ्रेंड्स, आज हमने 2011, 2015 एवं 2017 में हुई ACA2 के एग्ज़ाम में पूछे गए जनरल अवेयरनेस का एनालिसिस किया है और इसके आधार पर पूछे गए मेजर टॉपिक है इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सनालिटी, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एंड बिल्स, गवर्नमेंट स्कीम्स, इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट एंड कल्चर, geographical environment development, defense and security, sports, award and honors, ranking and indices, important books and summit and conferences. हर टॉपिक का हम लोग ब्रीफली डिस्कशन करेंगे और लास्ट ईयर में जो करंट अफेयर पूछा गया उसको भी देखेंगे। इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सनैलिटी में हम लोग देखेंगे द रिसेंट अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ पर्सनैलिटी बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट, जैसे कि CIC, CVC, सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिश्नर, NTRO चीफ, नेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स कमिश्नर, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ हाई कोर्ट, अटॉर्नी जनरल, डिफेंस चीफ, RBI, सेबी चीफ, इसरो चीफ, ऐसे ही इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सनैलिटी जिनका रिसेंटली सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा अपॉइंटमेंट हुआ है। नेक्स्ट है इम्पॉर्टेंट पर्सनैलिटी हु डाइड रिसेंटली, जैसे प्रणब मुखर्जी, पंडित जसराज, चेतन चौहान, सुनील कोठारी, दिनेश्वर शर्मा, डिगो मार्डोना, कार्ल्टन चैपमैन, इब्राहिम अलकैजी, ही इज़ फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ NSD, that is National School of Drama, Sonam Sering, she was a folk musician, Balbir Singh Senior, he was a hockey player, Rishi Kapoor, he was an actor, Satish Gujral, architect. Next है recent appointment in world arena like the president and vice president of USA like Joe Biden and Kamala Harris, prime minister of Japan, chief of various organizations like WTO, IMF, UNO, etc. Next, a person nominated to head various committees like committees on scrapping of AFSPA. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बिल एंड अमेंडमेंट। कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बिल और अमेंडमेंट जो लास्ट ईयर पास हुए हैं वे हैं, पहला द फार्मर्स प्रोड्यूस ट्रेड एंड कॉमर्स प्रमोशन एंड फैसिलिटेशन बिल 2020। नेक्स्ट द फार्मर एम्पावरमेंट एंड प्रोटेक्शन एग्रीमेंट ऑफ प्राइस एश्योरेंस एंड फार्म सर्विस बिल 2020। द एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज अमेंडमेंट बिल 2020। ये तीन बिल जो अभी इसके लिए फार्मर द्वारा प्रोटेस्ट किया जा रहा है, यही तीनों बिल हैं जो पार्लियामेंट के द्वारा पास किया गया है और इसके लिए फार्मर इसको रिवोक करने के लिए प्रोटेस्ट अभी कर रहे हैं। नेक्स्ट है द सिटीजनशिप अमेंडमेंट बिल 2019, जो लास्ट ईयर NRC वगैरह के लिए प्रोटेस्ट किया जा रहा था 2019 में, वो इसी से रिलेटेड था। द नेक्स्ट JNK ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज बिल 2020, इस बिल के द्वारा JNK के लिए 3 लैंग्वेज ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज के तौर पे यूज़ किया गया, जैसे कश्मीरी, हिंदी एंड डोगरी। 104th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट, ये अमेंडमेंट इसलिए किया गया है ताकि रिजर्वेशन फॉर SS, ST एंड SC जो कि लोकसभा में 70 साल से 80 साल के लिए बढ़ा दिया गया है, मतलब 10 साल के पीरियड के लिए ये अभी से बढ़ा दिया गया है। 103rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट, इसके तहत इकोनॉमिकली वीकर सेक्शन को 10% रिजर्वेशन दिया गया है। 102nd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट, इसके तहत नेशनल कमीशन ऑफ बैकवर्ड क्लास को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल स्टेटस दिया गया है। 101st कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट, इसके तहत GST इम्प्लीमेंट किया गया था, दैट इज गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स। नेक्स्ट है हमारा द वेरियस कम्युनिटीज डेट वॉज फॉर्म्ड बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट इन 2020। पहला है कम्युनिटीज ऑन पैंडेमिक रिस्क पूल अंडर सुरेश माथुर। सुरेश माथुर के अंदर ये कमेटी बनाया गया जिसका नाम है पैंडेमिक रिस्क पूल। दूसरा कमेटी ऑन AICTE, दैट इज ऑल इंडिया काउंसिल ऑफ टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, ये कमेटी बनाया गया MS अनंत के अंदर। कमेटी ऑन प्रिवेंशन ऑफ स्टबल बर्निंग अंडर मदन बी लॉकूर। मदन बी लॉकूर जो कि जस्टिस हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के, उनके अंदर कमेटी बनाया गया प्रिवेंशन ऑफ स्टबल बर्निंग के लिए। कमिटी ऑन नेशनल साइबर सिक्योरिटी कोऑर्डिनेटर टू स्टडी रेवलेशन इन चाइना वाचिंग अंडर लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल राजेश पंत। लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल राजेश पंत के अंतर्गत एक कमेटी बनाया गया जो स्टडी करेगी नेशनल साइबर सिक्योरिटी कोऑर्डिनेटर टू स्टडी रेवलेशन इन चाइना। नीति आयोग प्रिपेयरिंग मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स अंडर मिस संयुक्ता समादार। मिस संयुक्ता समादार के अंदर को मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स बनाने के लिए नीति आयोग ने अपॉइंट किया है। कोजी कोड प्लेन क्रैश कमेटी अंडर कैप्टन एस एस चहर के अंदर कोजी कोड प्लेन क्रैश कमेटी बनाया गया है। कमेटी ऑन वेलफेयर ऑफ फ्रीडम फाइटर अंडर जी किशन रेड्डी के अंदर फ्रीडम फाइटर के वेलफेयर के लिए कमेटी बनाया गया है। कमेटी ऑन बॉर्डर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अंडर लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल डी.बी. सेकतकर। बॉर्डर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड कमेटी लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल डी.बी. सेकतकर के अंदर बनाया गया है। पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी लेड बाय अधीर रंजन चौधरी। ये कमेटी पब्लिक अकाउंट्स कमेटी पीएससी अभी अधीर रंजन चौधरी के द्वारा लीड किया जा रहा है। नेक्स्ट दैट इज 15th फाइनेंस कमीशन विच इज बीइंग लेड बाय एन.के. सिंह फॉर द पीरियड 2020 to 2025. Next, and draft new water policy is being framed under Mihir Shah. Next, some important government schemes. पहला आत्मनिर्भर भारत स्कीम। इसके तहत 20 लाख करोड़ पैकेज दिया गया है ताकि कोविड डिस्ट्रेस जो लास्ट ईयर 2020 में हुआ था उसे कम किया जाए। पीएम स्वनिधि स्कीम, इट इज़ फॉर द सपोर्ट टू स्ट्रीट वेंडर ड्यूरिंग पेंडेमिक। गरीब कल्याण रोजगार योजना, इट इज़ फॉर रिटर्निंग माइग्रेंट्स टू प्रोवाइड जॉब्स टू देम। पढ़ना लिखना अभियान, इट इज़ जस्ट टू टैकल लिटरेसी रिलेटेड चैलेंज इन पोस्ट कोविड वर्ल्ड। स्वामित्व स्कीम, इट इज़ जस्ट टू प्रोवाइड रूरल पीपल टू डॉक्यूमेंट देयर रेसिडेंशियल प्रॉपर्टीज़। इसके तहत जो भी गांव के लोग हैं वो अपनी प्रॉपर्टीज़ को रजिस्टर्ड करा सकते हैं इस स्कीम के तहत, और उन्हें एक रेसिडेंशियल कार्ड मिलेगा जिसमें उनके प्रॉपर्टीज़ के बारे में लिखा रहेगा। Operation Green Scheme, it is to provide subsidy to Himalayan and Northern state for air transportation of 41 notified fruits and vegetables. इसके तहत हिमालयन रीजन और नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न रीजन में जो 41 नोटिफाइड फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल है उसको एयर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन प्रोवाइड किया जाएगा और उसके लिए सब्सिडी दिया जाएगा। विवाद से विश्वास स्कीम, it is just to settle pending direct tax cases. Ayushman Sahakar scheme, it is for creation of healthcare infrastructure by cooperatives. Culture and heritage, इसमें बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स और साइट्स हैं जो लास्ट ईयर न्यूज़ में थे, जैसे कि गान नगई फेस्टिवल। It is celebrated by Zeliangrong people in Assam, Manipur and Nagaland as a post-harvest festival. Next is Sankalp Parv. It is celebrated by Ministry of Culture to plant trees. Next, Talamme Dalle. It is a traditional art form being practiced in Karnataka and Kerala. Raja Parba Festival. It was celebrated in Odisha and it was dedicated to Mother Earth. Next, Ambubachi Mela. It was held at Kamakhya Temple in Guwahati. It was celebrated for yearly menstruation course of goddess Kamakhya. Toda embroidery. It was an artwork of Toda tribe of Nilgiris in Tamil Nadu. Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. It was construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya will be in Nagara style of temple architecture. Next, Kalrav. Kalrav is named for first Bud festival being held at Nagi Nakti Bird Sanctuary in Bihar. Yogasana. Yogasan is being recognized as now competitive sport. Patrika Gate. It is located in Jaipur, Rajasthan, which was inaugurated by PM Modi last year. Nokhai Juhar. It is an agricultural festival which was observed by Western Odisha and Southern Chhattisgarh. नेक्स्ट ज्योग्राफी. ज्योग्राफी में जो टर्म यूज में थे, जैसे पहला है निसर्ग. निसर्ग, इट वाज अ साइक्लोनिक स्टॉर्म दैट हिट महाराष्ट्र एंड इट वाज ओरिजिनेटेड इन अरेबियन सी. नेक्स्ट है माउंट ब्लैंक. इट इज द सेकेंड हाइएस्ट माउंटेन इन यूरोप आफ्टर माउंट एल्बरस. नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट चेतक. इट इज अ ब्रिज कंस्ट्रक्टेड अंडर BRO ऑन रिवर रवि under project Chetak. Tea Island. It is a coral atoll in Lakshadweep. Sinabog. Sinabog is a volcanic mountain in Odisha. Next, Galwan. Galwan was a valley where India and China face off and make a standoff there. It is located in Ladakh region. Sinkunla Tunnel. It is the world's longest high altitude tunnel and it will connect HPN, that is Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir in Jaskar Valley. Atal Tunnel. It is the world's longest tunnel. It connects Manali with Leh and it lies in eastern Pir Panjal range. Girnar Ropeway. It will be Asia's longest ropeway. It lie in Gujarat. It relates to Jainism and here there is a wildlife sanctuary too. Amphan, it was also a tropical cyclone that hit Odisha last year, Odisha and West Bengal, and it was originated in Bay of Bengal. Nivar is a tropical cyclone that hit Tamil Nadu, originated in Bay of Bengal. Ladakh is the highest meteorological center, was opened last year in Ladakh. And last, that is a Kolkata Port Trust. It was renamed as Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port Trust. नेक्स्ट इन्वायरमेंट. इन्वायरमेंट में पहला हमारा टर्म है पूसा डिकम्पोजर. इट इज़ अ फंजाई बेस्ड सॉल्यूशन टू सॉफ्टन हार्ड स्टबल. जो वो हार्ड स्टबल होते हैं क्रॉप के कटाई के बाद, तो उसको ख़त्म करने के लिए, उसको मिट्टी में मिलाने के लिए एक फंजाई बेस्ड सॉल्यूशन प्रिपेयर किया है जिसे पूसा डिकम्पोजर कहा गया है. नेक्स्ट है ब्लू फ्लैग सर्टिफिकेशन. इस सर्टिफिकेशन के तहत 8 बीचेस ऑफ इंडिया गॉट इट फॉर पॉल्यूशन कंट्रोल इन बीच एरियाज. थुम्बी महोत्सवम. इट इज द फर्स्ट एवर स्टेट ड्रैगन फ्लाई फेस्टिवल इन केरला. नेक्स्ट देहिंग पटकाई. इट वॉज a natural park of Assam that has been upgraded to wildlife sanctuary. Blue tide. It was occurred. The blue tide was occurred at Juhu Beach in Mumbai last year due to phytoplankton. Next is Sokar wetland. It is the 42nd Ramsar site in India which is located in Ladakh. Haldwani. Haldwani is a place in Uttarakhand where the first and biggest biodiversity park of Uttarakhand was opened. Gir National Park. It is the only natural habitat of Asiatic lion. Next, Jet Zero Drive Plan. It is for drive down green gas emission from aviation by United Kingdom. Next term है anthropause or great pause. It is referred to COVID-19 lockdown period. COVID-19 lockdown period को great pause या anthropause कहा गया. Next term है Black Panther. The Black Panther was spotted first time in Goa's Netravali Sanctuary. Next, Nagarjun Sagar Srisailam. It is the largest tiger reserve in India, which is situated in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Next, Indore. Indore was declared for the fourth time as a cleanest city of India under Swachhta Sarvekshan. Swachhta Sarvekshan. And Chhattisgarh was declared cleanest state. रिसेंट डिफेंस एक्सरसाइजेज। तो पहला सेकेंड एडिशन ऑफ सी विजिल 2021, इट वॉज कंडक्टेड बाय इंडियन नेवी, कोस्ट गार्ड्स, customs and another maritime agencies. Next, 35th India Indonesia Corpet. It was conducted by Indian Navy and Indonesian Navy at Andaman. Next, PASEX exercise 2020. It is for RUFN guided missile cruiser Varyag, large anti-submarine ship Admiral Pantelev and medium ocean tanker Pechanga at East Indian Ocean region. SITMAX 2020. It was conducted between India, Singapore, Thailand in Andaman Sea. Next, Bull Strike. It was conducted by elements of Indian Army's Parachute Brigade, MARCOS, that is a Marine Commando Force, and Special Forces at Andaman. Next, Malabar Naval Exercise 2020. It was conducted by India, US, Japan, and Australia in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Ajay Warrior 2020. India and UK conducted this exercise. Sahyog Kajin. It was conducted by India and Japan. Sampriti 9. It was conducted between India and Bangladesh at Umroi in Meghalaya. Defense Expo 2020. It was conducted in Lucknow, that is in UP. These are the some defense exercises of India with other countries. Next, defense missiles or equipments. The first is Sahayak NG. It is India's first indigenously designed and developed air-dropped container from IL-38ST aircraft of Indian Navy off the coast of Goa. ATAGS Howitzer. DRDO successfully test-fired its advanced tower artillery gun system, that is Howitzer, produced by Bharat Forge and Tata Advanced System Limited. The next is Hypersonic Wind Tunnel Test Facility. India is third country after US and Russia to have such a facility. Next, ICGS Saksham, that is Goa Shipyard Limited, launched the fifth and final offshore patrol vessel out of an order of 5 such vessels. It is a vessel. Next is Sujit. It is Indian Coast Guard ship Sujit, the second in the series of 105-meter offshore patrol vessels. The next is Himgiri. The Himgiri, which is first of the 3 project 17A, being built at Garden Rich Shipbuilder and Engineers Limited, GRSE. The next one is BrahMos. BrahMos is a supersonic cruise missile jointly developed by DRDO and Napalm of Russia. MQ-9B. The Predator B drones manufactured by US firm General Atomics. The next is Varuna Shastra. It is a heavyweight torpedo designed by Naval Science and Technological Lab. The next is Airavat. The humanitarian mission Sagar 2. Indian naval ship Airavat arrived at port of Mombasa, Kenya. Next time हमारा वजीर. It is a 5th Scorpion class submarine which is a part of 6th Cavalry class submarine. The next term is Rafale. The second batch of Rafale arrived at Jamnagar, Gujarat. The next term is Pinaka rocket. The Pinaka rocket system was successfully flight tested from integrated test range in Chandipur, Odisha. The next is MM Narwane. He is conferred with honorary rank of General of Nepali Army by Nepal's President Vidyadevi Bhandari. The next term is F-18. USA has offered its F-18 naval fighter jets to fulfill the Indian Navy's requirement of combat jets. The next term is Bumla. The war memorial is constructed at Bumla, where Sub Joginder Singh, the Sikh regiment, made supreme sacrifice in Sino-India War. It is in Arunachal Pradesh. And next is INS Kavaratti. It is the last of four indigenously built anti-submarine warfare stealth corvettes INS Kavaratti under Project 28 that has been commissioned into Indian Navy. The next term is INS Sindhuvir. The India will be delivering a kilo class submarine INS Sindhuvir to Myanmar. ये म्यांमार को INS सिंधुवीर इंडिया देगा. कनकलता बरुआ. It is a fast patrol vessel ICGS Kanaklata Barua of Indian Coast Guard that has been commissioned at GRSC Kolkata. The next term is INS Sahyadri. INS Sahyadri has been conferred with the most coveted trophies of best ship among coastal ships. Next term is Saurya missile. It is a surface-to-surface nuclear-capable ballistic missile. The next term is Mangaluru. India's first Coast Guard Academy, जबकि तक इंडिया का फर्स्ट कोस्ट गार्ड अकेडमी विल बी एस्टेब्लिश्ड एट मैंगलुरु कर्नाटका. Shivangi Singh. She has become the India's first women Rafale fighter pilot. Next term is Kavakaz 2020. It is a military exercise being organized by Russia and India has withdrawn from this exercise. Next topic है हमारा मेजर स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट that happened in that occurred in 2020. The first is IPL 2020. It was organized in United Arab Emirates. Here Mumbai becomes the fifth time winner and KL Rahul was awarded with orange cap for the highest run in the series, and Rabada was awarded with purple cap because of taking most wicket in the series. The next is 2020 French Open. The Rafael Nadal became the winner in the men's side and Iga Swiatek was the winner from the women's side. Next is 2020 ITTF Women's World Cup. It was organized in China and Xin Mang was the winner. Italian Open. Here Novak Djokovic became the winner from the men's side and Simona Halep became the winner from the women's side. US Open winner from the men's side it was Dominic Thiem, and from the women's side it was Naomi Osaka. Australian Open winner from the men's side Novak Djokovic, and from the women's side it was Sofia Kenin. WTA International Trophy, and from the double Sania Mirza was winner. National Weightlifting Championship. Gold. India got gold at senior women level. FIDE Chess Olympiad. It was organized online and India and Russia was declared joint winner. Upcoming sports event, that is Olympic, will be held in Tokyo in 2021. Commonwealth Games will be in England. Asian Games will be in China in 2022. Winter Olympic will be in China in 2022. ICC World Cup cricket will be in India in 2023. Hockey World Cup will be in India in 2023. FIFA World Cup will be in Qatar in 2022. ICC World Cup T20 in India it will be in 2021, and in Australia it will be in 2022. BRICS game it will be in India in 2021. Achievement in sports. The PV Sindhu she has been declared the BBC India's Sportswoman of the Year 2019. PT Usha she has got Lifetime Achievement Award. Manpreet Singh International Hockey Federation's Men's Player of the Year Award he has got. Jasprit Bumrah is awarded with Polly Umargar Award in male category. Harshvardhan Sadgir he has been awarded with Maharashtra Kesari title. Alice Perry she has awarded with Women's Best Cricketer and ODI Player 2019. Rani Rampal she has been awarded as a Sports Person of the Year by FICCI India Sports K. N. Anantha Padmanabhan. He was included in ICC panel. He is Indian umpire. James Anderson became the first fast bowler to reach 600 wickets in Test cricket. Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The five players are awarded with Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. That is Rohit Sharma in cricket, Mariappan T in para athletics, Miss Manika Batra in table tennis, Vinesh Fogart in wrestling, and Miss Rani in hockey. India's ranking in different indices. These are the indices that can be remembered for upcoming examination, like Indian Innovation Index. Here it is released by Niti Aayog, and here Karnataka is the first in the rank. Henley Passport Index 2021, it is released by Henley and Partners. India stood 85th in this index and Japan stood first. Human Freedom Index 2020. In it, India is holding 111th rank and New Zealand is the top. Human Development Index 2020. It is released by UNDP and Norway is in the top and India holds 131st position. Human Capital Index 2020. It is being released by World Bank. Singapore is in the top list and India holds 116th rank in Human Capital Index. 13th Global Innovation Index 2020. Switzerland is in the top and India is at 40th rank. Export Preparedness Index 2020. It is organized by Niti Aayog and Gujarat is in the top in the state. Among a state in India. World Competitive Index 2020. In this index, Singapore is at top and India stood at 43rd rank. Environmental Performance Index 2020. Denmark is at top in this index and India is at 168th rank. Ease of Doing Business 2020. It is released by World Bank and New Zealand is at top and India holds at 63rd position. Global Energy Transmission Index 2020. It is released by World Economic Forum and Sweden is at top and India holds 74th rank. International Intellectual Property Index 2020. It is released by US Chamber of Commerce and US is at top and India is at 40th rank. Global Democracy Index 2019. It is released by Economist Intelligence Unit. Norway is at top and India holds 51st rank. Awards and Honors 2020. These are some awards awarded to the person last year. First is Ranjit Disale. He was awarded with 2020 Global Teacher Prize. Adar Poonawalla. He was awarded with the Straits Times Asian of Year 2020. Invest India. It was awarded with 2020 UN Investment Promotion Award by UNCTAD. Joe Biden and Kamala Harris. They were awarded with Times Magazine Persons of the Year. Ashraf Patel. He was awarded with Social Entrepreneur of the Year 2020. Paul Sen Tawa. He was awarded with Goldman Environmental Prize 2020 by IUCN. Robert Lewandowski. He was awarded with Best FIFA Men's Player 2020. Douglas Stewart. He was awarded with 2020 Booker Prize for Fiction. Sanjay Singh. He was awarded with 2020 Gandhi Award. Aishwarya Sridhar. She was awarded with 2020 Wildlife Photographer of the Year Award. Om Puri. He was awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award 2020 at India International Film Festival of Boston. Chef Vikas Khanna. He was awarded with Asia Game Changer Award 2020. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was awarded with LG Nobel Prize 2020 for medical education. Next is Vasdev Mohi. He was awarded with 29th Saraswati Samman. Pulela Gopi Chand. He was awarded with Lifetime Achievement Award by International Olympic Committee. The next is Penn Stokes. He was awarded with Wisden's leading cricketer 2020 among men. Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh was awarded with E-Panchayat Puraskar 2020. Ratan Lal. Ratan Lal was awarded with World Food Prize 2020. Javed Akhtar. Javed Akhtar was awarded with Richard Dawkins Award 2020. Sachin Awasthi. He was awarded with Global Humanitarian Award 2020. Kejang D. Thong Dok. He was awarded with Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2020. Neelkantha Bhanuprakash Juna Lagadda. He was the first gold medal for India in Mental Calculations World Cup. He won the first gold medal for India in Mental Calculations World Cup. Sonu Sood. He was awarded with SDG Special Humanitarian Action Award. Nashira Sharma. She was awarded with 29th Vyas Samman 2019. Next is Akittam Achuttam Namboothiri. He was awarded with 55th Gyanpith Award 2019. The next is Vishwanath Prasad Tiwari, 33rd Murti Devi Award 2019. The next is Paul Milgram Robert Wilson. He was awarded with Nobel Prize of Economics for auction theory of new auction format. The next topic is important book released in 2020. The first is Kailash Satyarthi, who wrote the book named COVID-19 सभ्यता का संकट और समाधान. The next is Meena Iyer, who wrote the book named I Am No Masiha. The co-author of this book was Sonu Sood. The next is Anupam Kher, and he wrote the book Your Best Days Today. The next is Shashi Tharoor. He wrote the book named The Battle of Belonging. The next is Manish Sisodia. He wrote the book named Bapu the Unforgettable. The next is Saif Vikas Khanna. He wrote the book named Kitchens of Gratitude. The next is Romila Thapar. She wrote the book named Voices of Dissent. The next is Arundhati Roy. She wrote the book named Azadi, the Freedom, Fascism, Fiction. The next is Rajnath Singh. He wrote the book named Connecting, Communicating, Changing. The next is Ruskin Bond. He wrote the book named A Song of India. The next is J.K. Rowling. She wrote the book named The Ikabog. The next is Smriti Zubin Irani. She wrote the book named Chronicles of Change Champions. The last is Amit Shah. He wrote the book named Karma Yodha Granth. And the last topic is Summit and Conferences. The first is 17th Asian India Summit. It was organized by the Prime Minister of Vietnam. It was a virtual meeting, and the theme of the meeting was on tackling pandemic COVID-19. The next is 15th East Asia Summit 2020. It was led by Union Minister of External Affairs Dr. S. Jaishankar. It was also a virtual meeting. The theme of the meeting was to increase international cooperation in order to fight terrorism, climate change and pandemics. The next is 15th edition of G20 Summit. It was under the chairmanship of Saudi Arabia. It was also a virtual meeting through video conferencing. The theme was to focus on developing an inclusive, sustainable and resilient future by safeguarding the planet. The next is UNFCCC, United Nations Framework on Climate Change, COP25. It was organized by Chile in Madrid, Spain. The theme was to achieve the goal of 35% emissions reduction as per the Paris Agreement. The next is 11th BRICS Summit 2019. It was organized by Brazil's at Brasilia, Brazil. The theme was economic growth and innovative future for BRICS economies. The next is the first India Sports Summit 2019. It was organized by Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India in Delhi. The theme was to introduce a national sporting culture with the aim to make India a sporting powerhouse at the event. The next is first National Hindi Science Writer Conference 2019. It was organized by Sakuntala Mishra National Rehabilitation University at Lucknow. The theme was to promote the use of Hindi and other vernacular language in science writing. And the last is G7 Summit 2019. It was organized by France in Biarritz, and the theme was to focus on fighting income and gender inequality and protecting biodiversity.